Hey guys, Steve Maxwell with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Venom 3916TK. Let's go take a look. On the front of this Venom, we are going to have a standard LCI pin box. Going to make it really easy for you to find a hitch that's going to work for you. Behind that, we are going to have the Cummins ONAN 7000 generator. That's going to allow you to have power no matter where you are at. You can be in the sand dunes, you can be at the campground, wherever you need to be. On the door side of the Venom, we are going to have dual entry, dual awning. This is going to be a really nice feature to have, going to give you plenty of space to hang out outside. Up here, you're going to have a nice pass-through storage that has a little bit of a secret to tell. It's got a fold-out TV in here that you can use for your tailgates. You can watch all that pregame coverage, the red zone, whatever you need before you go into your football game. And behind the TV, you're gonna have a few more goodies. You're gonna have a JBL speaker attached right here to the charger. Take it with you anywhere you need to go. You also have your inverter on board, so you can convert that 12 volt to 110 to use all your appliances. This Venom is gonna be a massive toy hauler. That being said, it is a 3-axle system to be able to handle all that weight. And to get set up at your campground, you are going to have the hydraulic leveling system. Make it easy to go. It's automatic. Sit back, hang out with the kids, let the camper do its thing while you're setting up. The Lippert 4-step solid steps, those are going to be really easy to use and steady getting into the camper. No reason to worry about those wobbly steps you see on some lesser campers. This Venom is also going to have a massive rear patio with its own gate. It does come with steps for the kids to step off the patio if they want to use that. So you could use this as a third entrance if you wanted to. Other than that, nice place to set up for the dogs, dinner, whatever you're going to need it for. This Venom is also going to have a prep for a Furrion backup camera. So if that's something you're going to need during your trip, please ask your Camptown rep about it. This Venom, since there is a garage on the back, you don't really have room for a ladder back there. So on the side, you have a fold-away ladder so you can still access the roof for everything you're gonna need. Moving forward, this Venom is gonna have a fuel management system so that you can fuel up all of your toys or your tow vehicle for that matter. This Venom is gonna have a tankless hot water heater on it, so you don't need to sit around and wait for your tank to heat up. It's gonna have a constant flow of hot water throughout your camp. In the pass-through, you're gonna have a water closet, so you have all your connections for water in an enclosed area, so you don't have to worry about getting everything else wet. All right, before we take a look inside of this Venom, I wanna make sure everyone knows about Camptown Outfitters. That is gonna be our parts and accessory store for every location we have. Anything you're gonna need, from sewer lines, a new sink, wheel chocks, or even a Traeger grill, they can get you taken care of. We also just started mycamptown.com. You can purchase anything you need online, make it super simple and easy. All right, guys, now that we are inside the Venom, you step into our nice large living area. To my right, you're gonna have a 4-seater couch. All of these are recliners, so you have plenty of space for everyone to watch the game, hang out, or an extra sleeping area if it's needed. To my left, you're gonna have your half dinette. So you have a booth on one side with 2 stools on the other. This gives you a little bit of flex space. You can use these stools for whatever you need throughout the camper. Since this is a toy hauler, you do have a garage. Something nice they've done for you is they gave you a screen window. So if the kids are out there playing, you can still keep a good eye on them. Right above our dinette, we are gonna have the entertainment center. This is gonna be an RV rated TV with a sound bar right underneath. Those are directly across from the couch. The Venom's kitchen is gonna offer a very large fridge. It's gonna give you plenty of storage for everything you're gonna need throughout your camp. Next to that, you're gonna have your 3-burner Furrion stove with your propane oven. Above the stove, you're gonna have a full-size Insignia microwave. That's gonna give you a little bit of ability to have the hot and fast meals. Don't need to prep all your meals, just getting something out to the kids, get them to eat, get them to calm down a little bit. The Venom is also gonna offer a full-size pantry, gonna give you plenty of storage for all of your dry goods, any extra dishes that you can't fit in the cabinets throughout the kitchen. The Peninsula in this kitchen is gonna have a nice deep basin sink. It has no divider in the middle, so you have plenty of space in there with a detachable nozzle so that you can wash dishes a little bit easier. Countertops are gonna be a solid surface countertop, really hard to damage, really hard to scratch, and they are super easy to clean. Next to the Peninsula in the kitchen, you are gonna have your controller for the solar panels. This camper has solar and generator. If you're trying to off-grid, this is the camper for you. All right, guys, we are in the garage of the Venom now. Before I show you some of the features, I want to let everyone know we are striving to make it easier for our customers to purchase with us. We're introducing the customer toolbox to our website. It offers you every tool you need. If you need to know what your vehicle can tow, what you can finance, or what you can get on your trade, you can get that there, as well as manuals and how-to videos on almost every camper we carry. This Venom's garage is going to be very large, going to have plenty of space for whatever toy you need in here, but it also offers a little bit of living space. You're going to have 2 couches that can also convert into a dinette with 4 cup holders, plenty of dining space, and also these 2 couches can turn into a full bed as well as the full bed right above my head. Plenty of sleeping area in this camper. You also come with a ladder over here to this bunk as well as the loft right over here. The bedroom in this Venom is going to have an awesome bed in it. It has an option for recline. You have a switch right there on the other side that you can bring this bed up or lay it flat. Going to have storage on this side for hanging clothes as well as storage all over the top of this bed. This bedroom is going to have tons of storage in it, more hanging space all along the side, as well as drawers below for any shoes or jewelry. And behind me, you're going to have an area for a combo washer dryer. That's going to be a washer dryer in one unit. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the Venom 3916TK. If y'all have any other toy haulers y'all want to see, please comment below. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, the fun starts here.